Hey guys, it's Danielle. Happy spring. I hope you guys are doing awesome and enjoying the warmer weather, the pollen, and the beautiful flowers. Today, we are going to do a little recap of quarter one. So let's jump right in. So, what did we see in quarter one? We saw a lot of interesting things in the current market, uh, a lot of which is in response, right, to what's going on in our country with the tariffs and a lot of the changes that we're seeing in the new administration. So, how did that affect the market? Well, very interesting. The rates have pretty much remained in the high sixes and into the low sevens throughout quarter one. Um, that is still a big factor in our market. It is currently affecting buyers' affordability and just a really big factor in our market, right? So the rates remained pretty much where they were at the end of last year. And inventory has started to increase, right? We've started to see a lot of people gear up for the spring market, which, as we know, time of year that people buy houses, May, June, and July. So we're entering into the spring market with higher interest rates and with more inventory. So what does that mean? For you as the buyer, it means it is your time to shine, right? There is a lot of homes on the market that you probably could have leverage on, right? You may could get it at a slightly lower price. You may could get closing cost, etc., right? So as the buyer, I would take advantage of what's going on, the volatility, if you will is your moment to jump in and get a deal, right? And what does this mean for my sellers? For my sellers, it means we're pretty much where we have been for the last few quarters, right? Homes are selling, and they're selling for a great price. We listed one last weekend under contract, full price, and the buyer's getting a little bit of closing cost. So, as the seller, that is what you should expect if your home is in a condition that is appealing to a buyer, if it's clean, polished, and shines, if it's priced correctly, you will sell, right? You may sit on the market a little bit longer than we've experienced in previous markets. And yet, if you come onto the market ready and priced correctly, it will move. Okay. And a great thing about the market that we're in right now is there have been very few markets recently where you were able to get a contingent offer accepted. And what I mean by that is most people need to sell their current home before they buy another, right? And in the markets we've had previously, that wasn't possible. Well, right now it is, guys. And I don't know how long that's going to be. Anything could change at any moment with the interest rates, with the cost of materials, etc. Okay. Something will give. And when that happens, it will probably happen quickly. Okay. So take advantage of the market that we're in right now. It's a great market. It's a market that you can move in. And guess what? We are one phone call away. I would love to talk to you about your goals. I would love to tell you my story. We bought and sold in the last year, and we are so grateful that we did, guys. So, we're going to talk more about that in our new series. And I look forward to seeing you guys soon. Give us a call. We're here for you. We're grateful for your support, and we'll see you soon. Thanks, guys.